Here's some more practice problems that I would like for you to try when we're working on dividing using subtraction. I want you to take your time and look at these problems. If you need to watch the previous video again, please go back and do that. Take your time, rewatch it, see what we did on those problems. Let's take a quick peek at what we did do to kind of refresh your memory so you can see what we were doing. So let's take 97 divided by 8. It's 97 divided by 8. What we were talking about is taking out groups of 8 because this is our divisor. So I'm thinking about my basic facts to see how many groups of 8 can I take out of my dividend 97. So I'm thinking that I could take out, let's see, if I took out, let's say, 10 groups of 8, that would be 80. 10 times 8. So I would subtract 80 from my dividend, and that would be 7, and 9 minus 8 would be 1. Well, I'm looking at 17. That can't be my remainder because it is larger than my divisor. So I can take out more groups of 8. So I'm using what I know, my basic facts. I can use 2 times 8. That will give me 16, so I can put that here. And I would be able to subtract now. 17 minus 16 would give me 1. I'm looking at my divisor 8. I can't take out any more groups of 8. So this 1 is going to be my remainder. So I have this partial quotient of 10 and 2. I need to add them together. And that's going to give me 12. So 12 is my quotient. And I have a remainder of 1. 12, remainder 1. So what I did was took out groups of 8. Instead of taking out 8 one at a time, saying 97 minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. Remember, I don't need to do that. I take out chunks or groups of 8 and make this more efficient. So go ahead and go back to these problems and practice them in your journal. You do not have to do a whisk for this. And you do not need to tell me that you watched this part of the video. This was just a quick review of what we did in class, and I'm going to enter it as a note instead of an assignment that needed to be turned in. So you're not going to have to turn this in. It's going to be as a note, but you can put this in your backpack with the other videos. See you in class tomorrow.